There's no doubt public art is a way of telling our story as a community, and certainly as a way to provide inspiration and being able to tell sometimes the story of individuals and how they've impacted our community.
What we really want to do is tie public art to what Markham is and what all of you in residence want Markham to be.
That will be my plea for compassion and latitude of thought when it comes to hiring and working with your artists.
Developing and implementing the public art plan is the beginning of a wonderful opportunity for the City of Markham to work with the process of public art, strong and forward-thinking public art, to highlight Markham as a noteworthy city.
To participate in public art will strengthen the overall fabric of our culture and inform audiences about the creative impulses founded in all cultures.